What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Got another good one for you today. We're mostly going to be talking about kind of the market cap, just a little overview of where it's been going and how it's been doing, and then a lot of Binance coin. I hope you guys have been keeping an eye on that because I think it's been doing really good considering the market and everything. So yeah, we're sitting at a $330 billion market cap. Not exactly where we want to see it right now, but again, beginning of the year, it just kind of lulls out. Like, beginning of the year is always just kind of a slow time for any investments like stocks and for crypto that we're finding out. It's been like this for a couple I didn't mean to say a couple years, but for a long time. It's just the way it works. It's like right after Christmas, all that stuff, and the time keeps passing. A few months after that, it just stays slow. It stays low, keeps down. But as we can see from last year, right near the end of the year, mid-year to the end of the year is whenever it picks up, and we're going to see a lot of boosts on all of these altcoins. So, moving right along into Binance coin. Sitting at $14.10. One of the only things that's actually in the green right now, if you were looking. 16% up, which is pretty good in a down market. It's not great, but it's doing all right. Market cap of $1.38 billion. So whenever it's sitting at about $14, its peak was at, as soon as it catches up here, its peak was at about about $24 to $25 was the peak for the Binance coin. But just as of December 11th, it was all the way down below $3. So if you got in then, props to you. Binance is an amazing platform to buy cryptocurrencies. You guys know that I back Binance even whenever it was shut down and everybody's freaking out about it. I back Binance. I think that they are a legit company, and I think that they're doing a really great job with their platform and being secure, and not a whole lot of people getting stolen from. It's not a scam. It's not any of that. So I think they've done good, and I think that people have realized it, and that's why they've been investing into it. And it went all the way up, and it was around January, right when the market dropped. Obviously, Binance coin did too, but it never dropped below what it was in December, dropping only down to like $5.72. So it did maintain somewhat. For the market that it was in, I think it did a really good job. And as of lately, starting on the 19th, it started going up again. People like Binance, guys, and they just do. They realize that the platform's really great. You can get the app right now. Go on any apps I think you can get it in Google Play. I'm not sure. I have an iPhone, so I know you can get it in the App Store and download it. And it's just very clean, and it's very user friendly, so you're able to just kind of go around. You can save a lot of the currencies as favorites, so that way you are always able to check up on the coins that you want to see right away very easily. You can see how much money you have in there, how much your total portfolio is worth on Binance. It's just really user friendly, and I really like it. So I think that Binance is going to continue to do Binance coin even at $14. I'm not saying buy it right now because it's definitely been skyrocketing and we don't buy it all-time highs. I think that it still has a lot of potential to go up even more from here. If it drops again, I'll probably pick it up some. I thought about picking it up a long time ago, but that was back whenever I was that was a while ago, and it was one of the first exchanges that I was using. And I was like, I don't know, maybe I should get some, maybe I shouldn't. I didn't know Binance was going to be the best or not at the time, and now I firmly believe that it is. So I wish I would have got back in it back then, but we can't dwell on the past, guys. You just got to keep moving forward. So if it gets a good price, under $10 again, I probably will look into getting some Binance coin. And I think that is going to do really good, especially nearing the end of the year. Like I said, whenever everything starts picking back up, I think Binance coin is going to do great because I think Binance itself is going to do great. And they're just going to be, they're going to be tangled with each other and just keep going up and keep making us money. And that's what we want at the end of the day, right? We want to keep making money. But I think I'm going to conclude it there, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you know when I post. If you have any ideas of what I should post next, if you want a coin review, if you want an ICO, if you want me to do more in-depth on the market cap and where it's going to go into the future, the few months ahead of us, let me know in the comments and tell me how you're keeping up. And I'll see you in the next one, guys.